Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing, where we like to think of ourselves as a used Moffett capital of the United States. Today, I'm going to give you a nice video of a 2006 Moffett M5000 sitting here with 2,599 hours. She's a two-way model, and she has something special, especially in an 06, a 12-foot mast. That gives you a little taller height there. We have 90% Sears tire, new front tires. She's fully refurbished, looking good. What we do is we clean this baby up. First, we power wash it. Then we take off parts such as the cage, diamond plating, seat. That way we can get it nice and clean, give you a long-lasting paint job. This is a two-step PPG paint job. This is expensive paint that goes on here. We put new decals, repaint the rims. She looks very nice, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to walk around and show you. Got yourself a new seat. All your decals for controls. This thing is ready to go to work. We'll walk around and show you. She's looking very straight and very true. You can make money right away. What we have here, we're so confident in what we do that we give you an operational guarantee. What that means is it's going to be in the condition I presented to you today, or we're going to help you get it fixed the way it needs to be so that you can make money and work on it. Immediately hop on, go to business. Also, you get a 1-month engine warranty. Now I'm going to have Carrie hop on here and show you the mast operation, the outrigger operation. We'll give you a little treat. We'll show you running back and forth. He's going to fire this Kubota up to life. She purrs like a kitten. Up and down goes the mast. She's looking great. In and out goes the carriage. Mast hill. Side shift. We have outriggers. Now he's going to show you her going back and forth. Now we're going to go back and forth, ladies and gentlemen. Everything works great. Hydraulic motor, engine, hydraulic pump. I'm going to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for checking this video out. You can see us on the web at 99lifts.com. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998. As you can see, we have many other units in stock. Turnkey, ready to go. If you don't see something on our website you want, we have 100 more outside ready to get refurbished. Within weeks, you can have the unit you want. Thank you so much for checking us out, and you have a blessed day.